Click, click, nothing. Sound familiar? If you're a Dyson V11 owner, you might be nodding along right now. That dreaded broken trigger. It's one of the most common frustrations we see. 1 minute you're blitzing dust, the next, your powerful cleaning machine is useless. So what gives? Often it's simply down to wear and tear on the plastic trigger mechanism itself. It's a small part doing a big job, and over time it can unfortunately fatigue and snap. It's not exactly ideal when you've got floors that need a desperate cleaning. Ignoring it obviously means, well, no vacuuming. Now, we know what some of you might be thinking. It's just a plastic trigger. How hard can a DIY repair be? We totally get it. That Dyson V11 broken trigger is annoying, and the temptation to jump online, order a cheap part, and tackle the DIY repair yourself is strong. You're resourceful, and fixing things can be satisfying. Tackling a broken trigger yourself carries some real risk. You could accidentally damage the delicate wiring nearby, leading to bigger electrical problems. Applying too much force during disassembly might snap other crucial plastic components, turning a small fix into significant Dyson damage. Using a non-genuine or poorly made replacement trigger often means it'll just break again soon, wasting your time and money. Plus, fiddling inside could potentially affect any remaining manufacturer warranty coverage you might have. Why take the chance? At RoboCare, our technicians specialize in Dyson V11 repairs. We've seen countless broken trigger issues and know exactly how to fix them safely and effectively using the right tools and genuine replacement parts. We diagnose it correctly the first time, ensuring a lasting repair. We pride ourselves on getting it right the first time, restoring your Dyson's functionality safely and effectively. But talk is cheap, right? Now we're going to show you the results. And voila, back in action. Thanks to RoboCare's expert vacuum fix, this Dyson V11 trigger is responsive, reliable, and ready to clean like new. Don't let a DIY attempt turn into a bigger headache. Trust the experts at RoboCare to handle your Dyson V11 broken trigger repair. Visit our website or contact us today.